delving into ANZAC Biscuits, a bite of history. G'day, language learners! Today, we're diving deep into the culinary world of Australia and New Zealand. One of the most iconic treats from this region is the ANZAC biscuit. Let's unpack the history, importance, and the cultural significance behind these crunchy delights. ANZAC biscuits are sweet biscuits, commonly associated with Australia and New Zealand. Made from rolled oats, sugar, plain flour, coconut, butter, golden syrup, and bicarbonate of soda, these biscuits have a crunchy texture and a caramel-like flavor. They are named after the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps, ANZAC. During World War I, the soldiers from Australia and New Zealand were affectionately known as ANZACs. The wives, mothers, and girlfriends of these soldiers would send them these biscuits. They were chosen because they don't spoil easily and could endure the long naval journey without refrigeration. Over time, these biscuits became a symbol of love, care, and support from the home front to the soldiers abroad. Today, ANZAC biscuits hold a special place in the heart of Aussies and Kiwis. They are not just treats, they represent remembrance. Every year on ANZAC Day, which is April 25th, these biscuits are made and consumed widely to honor the soldiers. It's not just a biscuit, it's a bite of history and a nod to the resilient spirit of the ANZACs. If you ever want to make ANZAC biscuits, remember the traditional ingredients: rolled oats, sugar, plain flour, coconut, butter, golden syrup, and bicarbonate of soda. There's no egg in the traditional recipe, which is why they stayed fresh for so long. They're simple to make, and even more delightful to taste. And there we have it. ANZAC biscuits. More than just a treat, they're a testament to the enduring spirit of the ANZAC soldiers and the love of those who stayed behind. We hope you've enjoyed this dive into a sweet piece of Australia and New Zealand's history. Until next time, happy language learning and happy munching.